Storing your decor can be a daunting task, but I'm going to be sharing a few tips and tricks for organizing your holiday decorations. I try to make the most of our space by lining our bins with fabrics like pillowcases and tablecloths to make it even more safe for our breakables. One thing I try to do throughout the year is save tissue paper and wrapping paper that we get from gifts or even the packaging that comes inside of online orders. That way we can wrap our breakables and store them safely. I store all of our Christmas decorations in red and green bins. It's a lot easier to find them in the basement amongst all the other decor come this time of year. There are so many great items out there that are specific for your holiday items, such as wrapping paper, lights, and your decorative figurines. Additionally, we have a bag to store all of our holiday wreaths as well. I prefer to have all of our wrapping in an easy to access but portable storage solution. I love an under the bed storage solution because not only is it easy to put away when you don't need it, but when you take it out, you can move it room to room to easily wrap all of your holiday gifts. I like to store our Christmas lights in these canvas bags. They're great because they keep the lights tangle-free and also prevent them from breaking. We use a fake Christmas tree every year, and I purchased a canvas bag that has wheels so I can easily move it in and out of the basement when we're setting up our holiday decorations. I hope these tips help you feel more organized this holiday season and help you prepare for next year.